Hi, my name is Reza, and today we want to remove door handle and mirror from Acura Integra 2023. To remove the door handle, first we, like most of the cars, we have a plug here, but we want to safely remove it. Put it aside. There is a screw in here. If we can show it, it's T30. We want to loosen that up. Be careful, if you lose it completely, it might fall down, so it doesn't have any stop to trap over there. It's almost loosened. Then we remove. So now we want to remove it. We open that screw up. We have this part here, stopper. We remove it, take it out, and now. So this door handle has a clip inside, so it's not sliding out. To remove completely the door handle, we have to remove the door panel. There's one screw down here, flip screw, and all are just push pin. So this is a very tight trim, so we want to be very careful, do not make damage, just try to wedge in there. Then we have this plier, and then just pry it out. Yeah, completely it's out. There's a wire down here. You see this, clip it, and then it's slide out. If sometimes it's a trap, just try to use this. This way it's completely out. And then I put it here. This flip screw here. Completely remove it. Okay, so we have push pin all around. We start from wherever it allows us to wedge our tools. Okay, it's kind of allows here. Okay, and then one by one, try to find place of push pin. And just like this, pry it out. Okay. This is all out. We have 3 sockets in here. We want to remove one by one. One is this guy here. It's out. The other one down here. Be very careful. Okay. Now we'll have it on the back seat. So we want to remove this liner from here. Be careful of whatever you remove. You want to put it back completely in this place. So then we have this socket that we have to remove, and then look at this 2 white tip here. You want to press it, and then on the other side this just slide out. Easy. So the whole, come here again please. So the whole point and difference between door handle and Acura are these two tips that you want to press it. Then it allows from here to get released and you can slide it out. And now for mirror again, you want to remove the liner from here, and we have one plug here. Try to remove this plug as well, so we have access down there to the screws for the mirror. There are 3 screws that you can have access through these holes. One completely remove. Chris, can you hold it for us? Good. Mirror, can you hold the mirror, please? Oh, it's fall down, it's just down there, be careful. And then one another is up here. Oh, that one will remove. And then here. Oops. Not completely out. Oops. And just down there, I can find it later. It's so tight in here. There's one another up here. Okay. Oh, this one I saved it. It's T. It's 10. And then this here is for the mirror as well. You want to press this tip and then it releases easy. So the other point that I just want to mention is you want to release this pin from here, then the whole, all of the wires and cover all are going behind the mirror, the glass. So you want to make sure that you run it behind the glass frame. So as you roll down the glass, it won't trap it. And then very carefully just pass the wires, and then this way the mirror is up. Just take, okay, be very careful, gentle. Be careful, socket. It's completely out. Thank you. So this is the way that you take the Acura, Integra, the door handle and mirror out. Super facile and fast. Thank you.